Flagler Beach community is everything to me. After Hurricane Matthew, we lost our house. We were homeless, but we were still out there helping the community clean up.
Being rooted in a community such as Flagler Beach, the community support really helps you get through the tough times.
We wanted to be in a place where we could really connect with the locals.
This is the best town I've ever been in.
I think when people come to Flagler Beach, they want to connect with the people here and they want to live that lifestyle for just a minute and feel like they're a part of the community.
And it's like you get to kind of finally rest and just be at peace and by the ocean and, you know, happy.
I love to walk along the water. Sometimes I have my dog with me, and there's nothing better than taking in that ocean air, going to have something to eat, and just enjoying what we have here, which is really a beautiful, beautiful coastline.
We have all mom and pop restaurants and shops, and people love to come here and kind of live on island time and just hang out, go to the beach, eat, walk around, drive their golf carts, or ride their bikes.
You know, if you want to kayak, if you want to paddleboard, if you want to surf, if you want to fish, it's got a lot to offer as far as that. There's tons of restaurants, shopping. I mean, Flagler Beach is a wonderful, wonderful place.
We drive down to Florida and our first stop is Flagler Beach. And we just want to hit the waves and be in the sun.
And once they come and see what we have to offer, they come back.
You know, they want to be here for the ocean, they want to be here for the river, and they want to support locals. And those people are our kind of people, and they want to take care of what we have as much as we do.
We want them to see what we have to offer. It will boost the economy in Flagler Beach, and then all of the small, unique businesses, people that are passionate about what they do, can thrive and give back to the community.
Having a wonderful sense of community where we're all working together to make our dreams come true is extremely important.
We just keep putting our best foot forward. Hopefully people will find us, and when they do, usually we can capture them.